Hey guys! I found a bunch of new creatures to add to my aquarium. There are so many different creatures in the world, we can't just stop after whales and sharks. We need to keep going. So I found a lot of new creatures to add into our fish tank. And now we're gonna explore them all and find out their facts. Look, I found another octopus. Doesn't it look super cool with the stripes and everything? And you can even see the suction cups on the back. Well, did you know that octopus actually use something special called jet propulsion? This is how they swim really, really fast. And during this, they can also release ink to confuse their predators and stop them from eating. That is super cool, right guys? Let's add it into our aquarium. Hey, I found a beautiful bright orange walrus. Wow, look at those big, strong tusks. Those look super scary. Did you know that walrus have whiskers that can detect food? That's really weird. And they can run pretty fast on land, almost as fast as humans. And they run on all fours, these two flippers and these two flippers. That's really cool. Let's add this cool sea creature to our aquarium. Wow, look at this really cool creature. Those strong claws, the hard shell, the many legs. Guess what it is? It's a lobster. Did you know that lobsters can live for a really long time? Isn't that really weird? They can live for about 100 years. And they can also grow back limbs. That's really cool. Let's add it into our aquarium. This wonderful creature is a boxfish. Wow, look at its lips. It has a beautiful yellow and black pattern with black spots everywhere and a bit of orange by where its nose could be. Did you know that boxfish can release a slimy, poisonous mucus that can keep their predators away? And they can eat all sorts of things. They don't only eat plants, they're omnivores. They can eat some meat too. Let's add it to our tank. Look what I found. It's a green eel. Doesn't it look super cool? Wow, look at how long it is. And look at those red eyes. Wow. Did you know that eels can actually breathe out of water? That's really weird. And they can move across land. That's really, really cool. And did you know that some eels don't live alone? Some of them actually like to live together with their friends. Let's add this cool eel to our tank. This cool creature is a seal. Now, seals don't always live in the water. They also live out of water too sometimes. Look at that cute little face. Yeah, so seals can breathe outside of water and they do sleep on land. And they're really, really powerful swimmers. This is why they like to go in the water so much. Let's add this cool little seal to our tank. This cool creature is a mantis shrimp. Doesn't it look super scary? Yeah, this one looks like a creepy crawly. Did you know that mantis shrimp have really cool eyes that can detect colors that humans can't see? That's really cool. And I hope this mantis shrimp doesn't break our aquarium with its super strong punches. That would be terrible. Let's add this super strong mantis shrimp to our tank. This is a seahorse. Seahorse are called seahorse because they look like a horse. Did you know that seahorse have to grip onto things with their tail so that they can swim? Yeah, they may live in the water, but they're not great swimmers, so that's why they have to use their really strong tails. Did you know that their snouts can also be used for suction? That's how they eat all their food. Now let's add this really cool seahorse to our fish tank. Hey look, I found a stingray. Wow, doesn't it look really cool? The patterns of yellow and blue with polka dots? It looks amazing. And a really cool fun fact about these creatures is that they actually have a nose. That's really weird considering that they don't really have a face. Unless you call this a face. Did you know that stingrays actually use their nose to find food? That's really cool. Just like how walruses use their whiskers to find food, these stingrays use their noses. Let's add this cool stingray to our aquarium. This is a starfish. We can tell it's a starfish because it looks like a star. Look at the orange, beautiful patterns on its back and the yellow underside. Did you know that starfish actually have eyes? Yeah, they have eye spots at the tip of their arms. That's really weird. And they don't even have a face. They just have eyes on every tip. Let's add it into our aquarium. This is a clownfish. Now, they're not called clownfish because they're funny. They're called clownfish because they have these bright colors like clowns. Did you know that there's over 30 known species of clownfish? That's really cool. And all clownfish are born males. That means they're all just boys. Let's add it to our tank. This magnificent creature is a crab. Look, it has blue-tipped end and it's all green. Doesn't it look really cool? Did you know that crabs can molt or shed their shells as they grow? Usually this applies to hermit crabs, where these crabs literally live in their homes. And did you also know that some crabs lay thousands of eggs at once? That's crazy. Let's add it into our tank. This little creature is called a shrimp. Wow, doesn't it look like a mini lobster? Yeah, that's what most people think. Did you know that shrimp can live in both salty and fresh water? Because of their really cool adapting abilities, they can live in both salty and fresh water. And they're also really good swimmers. These little legs of theirs can paddle through the water really fast, and they can swim around really nicely. Let's add it into our tank. These two amazing creatures are jellyfish. Yeah, jellyfish come in a bunch of different colors and sizes, and they can live from forever to almost nothing. Did you know that jellyfish are not good swimmers? They just kind of drift around with the ocean's currents. That's really nice. And unfortunately, even though they can sting you really bad, jellyfish are eaten by other animals like fish, sea turtles, and even other jellyfish. That's really cool. Let's add it to our tank. This amazing creature is called a sea turtle. Wow, look at that beautiful green and the purple ring on its shell. Did you know that sea turtles are herbivores? Yeah, that means they only eat plants. That's really cool and also kind of expected. And did you know that they are really, really heavy? Yeah, I don't think I can pick up a sea turtle. Can you? Let's add it to our fish tank. Wow, look! I'm finally done! Look at all the creatures we learned about today, from octopi to stingrays. Wow, we have such a big collection! If you want to learn more, come back to our channel and check out our other videos. If you like the video, please subscribe. See you next time. Bye!